welcome to September 1st video for the currency pairs, the Forex major currency pairs, and we'll also take a look at gold and oil today as well, Brent oil. Now, this is the dollar yen. As you know, we've been expecting the dollar yen to go up from this area here, all the way from down here. We were in an up mode, and that up mode is still continuing, and what we're trying to do is kind of get up to this resistance area here. So today we might see one last push towards this zone before the market starts to sell off a little bit. And that's our expectation. So that's been going well. If you're trading the dollar and if you followed that through, then obviously what you need to do is kind of just make sure that you're not staying in there for longer than you need to, and just be mindful about that. Let's take a look at the euro dollar. Now with the euro dollar, as you know, I had noted yesterday places to buy. These levels I reckon are still on. 11.10 I think is still a good level here. I think that's kind of good to buy in that area, 11.10 zone there. And one option is, if it does pop its head down to 10.85, 10.80 region, that's another good level to buy, I reckon. I think it's the kind of bottoming up of the euro dollar. Now we're going to see one last dip today, and the market will start to buy, I think, around those levels. Let's take a look at the dollar franc. So that's going to be the opposite for the dollar franc. So we'll see a bit of a up move on the dollar franc today, and as you can see, this 98.80, 99.12 area is going to be a hot spot. So around there, we'd like to make some kind of a short or wait for a U-turn, because you can see that 99.50 is a double top area there. Okay, as you can see, that's a double top area. If we just make this a little tighter and make this a daily chart, so what we can see on a daily, as you can see, is this trend line here. So might just see one last hit up there. It's not that far off either. As you can see on the dollar franc, it's 99.12 and it's at 98.60 at the moment. So another nice push there. We should be able to see some kind of a resistance there. Okay, so that's the dollar franc if you're following that up. Let's take a look at the dollar Canadian, because I'm also expecting the market to start shorting this currency pair. This is the dollar Canadian. As you can see, we've got a nice move up there, but it needs to start popping its head back down now, and that level is probably going to be around here. Let's see. Okay, so let's see, that's going to be there, somewhere around here. So slightly up move, you can just do this maybe, and starts banging its head around that line there. Okay, even before that maybe. So if you're long on the dollar Canadian, I'd be looking to, move your stop forward or start taking profits as the market kind of reacts upwards. So this week I think we'll be seeing tops, and next week we'll be seeing reversals to do that. Also, let's take a look at gold. Gold, as you know, we've been noting to go long at 1,303 level here, and I also did mention on the Facebook live stream the other day, 1,295 was a good level. So I've got this 1,298 line here, but as you can see, this is really that 1,295 area. So from here on, I think it's going to be good to buy the gold and start looking to go up towards this red line here. So I think what the market's going to do is going to kind of start building a channel, and that channel is just there, as you can see. Let me just make this a little bit more clearer. There and there. And as you can see, that's kind of eventuating into the channel bottom area. So this area is a great area location to buy gold. And let's take a look at oil. Now with oil, I think with oil we need to open up a new chart. Now if you're trading oil, it's good that actually we've got this waiting for update sign, because as you know, the oil contracts are expiring. So what you guys need to do, if you have oil contracts, you need to start taking care of those positions looking forward, and if there are expiry contracts, so what you need to do is really close those trades before, and be mindful with these contract trades, because when the time comes, because these contracts are being renewed in international markets, the brokers will automatically kind of have to close those positions or roll them over. So you better check what you need to do when you're trading with contracts with your trading specialists. So we'll skip Brent for today. We'll look at it tomorrow, and tomorrow is non-farm payroll once again. Be mindful and have a great day trading.